Now, Finland's Prime Minister Sanna Marin is in spotlight after a video emerged of her partying with friends. The video is a compilation of her at two separate parties in the last few weeks. Now, Marin was upset because she believed that the videos were private. The video was shared widely on social media. 36-year-old Marin became the youngest serving head of the government in the world when she was elected back in 2019. She has received support from young Finns for maintaining a private life along with a high-profile career. She has denied allegations that the video was a publicity stunt less than a year before the next general elections. She addressed the local press after the video was leaked as well.
Nämä videot on yksityisiä, ne on kuvattu yksityisissä tiloissa. Olen harmissani siitä, että nämä ovat levinneet julkisuuteen. Kyse on ollut siitä, että olen ollut viettämässä kavereiden kanssa iltaa, juhlinut railakkaastikin kyllä, tanssinut ja laulanut.
Marin told reporters that the only intoxicant at the party was alcohol. A comment in the video sparked debate about drug consumption at the party. She denied using or having knowledge of anyone else there using drugs. A member of a coalition government suggested Marin take a voluntary drug test to put the matter to rest. Marin said that she did not mind doing this.
Minulla ei ole mitään salattavaa, en ole käyttänyt huumeita eikä sikäli ole mikään ongelma mennä testeihinkään, mutta pidän myös aika erikoisena, että tällaista vaaditaan. En minä ole nähnyt mitään todistusaineistoa, että missään olisi mitään käytetty.
Now, Marin had made a public apology in December last year after she went clubbing till 4 a.m. She'd gone without her work phone, so she could not be informed that she had come into contact with a COVID-positive person. She later tested negative for COVID.
Kiitoksia arvoisat median edustajat.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.